In retransfer printing, the image is printed from the color ribbon to a clear, oriented, stranded polyester film. This film is called the retransfer film. Printing to the film allows us to print an image slightly larger than the surface of the card for truly edgeless card designs with no white borders around the edge of the card. Also, by printing to the film, we protect the delicate surface of the print head from contact with the inflexible and unforgiving surface of the card. Direct-to-card printers use the print head to press down the color ribbon onto the card surface and transfer the colors. This causes wear and tear on the print head, with most print heads needing replacement within the first 10,000 cards printed. Some print heads don't last nearly that long, and things like the quality of the card surface, the level of the cleanliness inside the printer, and whether or not the cards have embedded technology can make a huge difference in the lifetime of the print head. Of course, most card printer manufacturers provide some kind of warranty on the print head, but you might still need to pay for a service call to get the print head replaced. And you'll most likely have to calibrate the print head after replacement to make sure its position and color density settings are the same as the one being replaced. With the XID Retransfer printer, the print head never touches the card surface. Instead, printing is accomplished when the retransfer film comes into contact with the color ribbon. The image is printed to the retransfer film and then fused to the card surface to attach it permanently to the card. The film is moved into contact with the ribbon using a very soft rubber roller. This roller is much more forgiving than the surface of a card. This soft roller surface prevents printhead damage, and we often see printheads with more than 275,000 cards printed before they need to be replaced. One of the reasons for these high volumes is that the XID 8300 uses only the highest quality elements to control the movement of the retransfer film and ribbon. To print a color image in dye sublimation, we print the yellow panel, then the magenta panel, and finally the cyan panel. The alignment of these colors on top of each other is referred to as the registration of the image. If the colors fail to align precisely on top of one another, then the image will be slightly blurred. Maintaining proper registration is very important for you to see true ROI. Tight registration is the key to vivid images that you can be proud of and easy to read variable data. For instance, some printers may say that they will print an enormous amount of cards per hour, but do they have a track record of providing the same accurate placement of colors of hundreds of thousands of cards? The XID Retransfer printers have been proven in even the harshest climates to provide the same precise alignment of colors at the 100,000th card as they did when they printed their first card. Retransfer printing has yet another benefit over direct-to-card printing. If you want to print dark colors like blue, black, red, or green, the printer must increase the voltage to the pixels on its surface and apply more pressure to create the deeper density colors. On a direct-to-card printer, this often leads to what we call ribbon wrinkle, which is caused by the ribbon folding over itself as it's pulled into the print head. Over the long term, the intense heat and pressure in the direct-to-card printer will lead to premature failure of the print head because the print head is more prone to damage when more heat and voltage is applied. In the XID Retransfer printer, by printing against a soft rubber surface, the print head can easily increase its pressure and voltage without risking damage from the hard surface of the card. The retransfer film used inside the XID 8300 is the ART retransfer film. ART stands for Advanced Retransfer Technology. This film has been designed and tested to last for twice as much abrasion as the competitor's retransfer film. You see, because the film is polyester, it creates a thin barrier against abrasion when printing. The ART film also helps prevent dye migration, a problem for some cards that are carried in a clear plastic pouch. The film is also about 26% more efficient at blocking light that causes fading than cards printed to a direct-to-card printer. The ART retransfer film yields nearly photographic quality images that are very glossy and impressive. It protects from abrasion, dye migration, and fading. And the process of printing to the film instead of directly to the card prevents damage to the print head. For this reason, every XID printer comes standard with a lifetime warranty on the printhead.